What's up everybody, my name is Reggie Cox, Master Detailer for Labocosmetica, and in this video I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about Dùctile. Dùctile by Labocosmetica, the APC of APCs. Unlike any other APC, this has no limitations whatsoever. As I refer to some of the other APCs as an AAPC, an almost all-purpose cleaner. However, this product can do it all. The most fantastic thing about this product is it has no caustic ingredients. Although it's very highly alkaline with a pH of 11, it has no caustic ingredients and cannot damage any delicate surfaces. Think about the engine bay where we have aluminum cast iron and all these things. With this product you can clean it, wipe it, buff it and love it. With the dilutions from up to 1:1, 2, 3, up to 1:20 for pre-wash. If you're working inside and want to have a low foam cleaning of your car, think about leather, think about plastics, think about any surface on the car. This is the product you want to use. Highly versatile, doesn't create any issues, leaves a streak-free result and is not sticky after application. Leaves no residue and gives a deep penetrating cleaning power that revives the color of the plastics and the substrates have been treated. And it's step 2 in Labocosmetica's legendary 2pH interior cleaning system. The beauty about this product, it works extremely fast. It cuts like a knife, getting rid of the dirt, making one wipe with a microfiber enough, and as you can feel and hear, it's smooth and non-sticky. To summarize, Labocosmetica's APC Dùctile, the true APC of APCs. To clean it all, deep and penetrate, cut the dirt off like a knife, easy wipe off, no residue left, no sticky surface and various dilution inside and outside of the car. No caustic ingredients, so even the most delicate parts are safe to be used by Dùctile. My name is Reggie Cox, thank you guys for watching, see you next time.